In this video, you will learn how to apply a cape skin on your Mahindra XEV 9E's car key. So, let's get started. To apply the skin, you will need to check a few things to be under bright lighting and patience. When you receive your package, it will include the key skin pieces precision cut for the XEV 9E's key and a microfiber cleaning cloth. Before we start the application process, make sure you use the microfiber cloth and give your car key a good cleaning. So now, let's start with the application. Let's start with the control panel frame skin. Peel the skin carefully from the 3M sheet and align it carefully with the cutout as shown. Once aligned, slowly press it down from the center towards the edges. Lightly heat them using the blow dryer and align them with the edges as shown. Next, let's apply the button skins. Remove each button skin one at a time and align it carefully with the respective button and icon as shown. Once aligned, gently press the skin down for a clean finish. Now, apply the remaining button skins one at a time. Aligning each one carefully with its respective button and icon as shown. Do it patiently while aligning it perfectly edge to edge with the cutouts. Now, let's apply the front panel skin. Remove the skin and align it carefully with the Mahindra logo cutout and around the center panel. Before applying the rest, make sure the logo and all the edges are aligned properly. Once aligned, press the skin down from the center outward using your thumb in a slow, firm motion. Lightly heat them using the blow dryer and align them with the edges as shown. Once aligned, slowly apply pressure across the panel. This pushes out any air underneath. Finish by pressing down the edges firmly. Next, let's apply the side shortcut button skins. Remove the right shortcut button skin and align it carefully with the triangular button as shown. Once aligned, slowly press the skin down from one side to the other. Take your time until the edges are aligned perfectly. Now, repeat the same process on the left shortcut button. Lightly heat them using the blow dryer and align them with the edges as shown. Finally, let's apply the back panel skins. Start with the back center skin. Remove it from the 3M sheet and align it carefully with the center of the key as shown. Once aligned, slowly press it down from top to bottom. This pushes out any air underneath. Finish by pressing down the edges firmly. Next, take the back frame skin and align it evenly around the back center skin and along the outer edges of the key. Apply slight heat around the curved edges and press them down firmly for a smooth finish. Once the alignment is correct, apply it gradually while pressing out any air. Finally, rub all the edges for 10 to 12 times with a microfiber cloth for a smooth finish. Looks sick, right? Say hello to your new Mahindra car key.